So that's 1 cup of hot water. Large cup. I'm gonna add some more. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Excellent. Let's come up here so like that. So the greatest thing that, all right. So we got the pineapple right here. I'm gonna put that into the water. That's the pineapple, straight into the water. So pineapple, lemon, ginger, thyme, rosemary, and this is some turmeric. Good vibes. Put everything into the water like that. And then lemon. Alright. And ginger. Alright. Fresh thyme. Rosemary. Very powerful cup of tea. I'm gonna put some turmeric. This is good. Turmeric is good to use. What we're gonna do, add some more water to it. A little bit more. Very powerful detox. You can put some cloves if you like to, but this is good right here. Where you going? All right. Yeah. So this is what you want to drink as a powerful detox drink. Okay? Good vibes. As you guys can see, I try my best to give you something which can help you at home. All right? Pineapple peel tea. Yeah. So I try my best to give you something fantastic and an amazing, as much as I can at home. Yeah, a good vibe. So you guys can see. So we just want this to come to a little bit of a boil. And then after it boil, we are going to pour it off. Alright, make it simmer down for a bit and pour it off. Beautiful cup of tea, guys. As I say, nevertheless, I know this is one of my favorite tea I always love to make at home. So we got pineapple, ginger, rosemary, thyme, lemon, and pineapple peel skin tea, and some turmeric inside of it to make this beautiful cup of tea this evening. The full video for this, guys, always been on my YouTube channel. The link for the donation for the GoFundMe is in my bio. Click on the link and donate to support Jamaica hurricane season. What's happening? Good vibes. Look at that. Alright. Yeah, man. Wow. You can smell the pineapple peel in it. It's amazing. Wow. Long time I don't do one like this, because sometimes I do them and the next time I just chop. Yeah. Listen, alright, listen. Be a cup. Okay. Good vibes. Looking good still. Can't complain. That looking really good. Looks really fantastic and an amazing. Yeah. I think yeah. And that looking good. What do you guys think? Look at that. Amazing and fantastic. Alright. We've got some more pineapple peel you can put in it. Vanessa, big up yourself. Yeah, very, very lovely. Yeah, rosemary, pineapple peel, ginger, lemon, thyme, turmeric inside of this. Look at that. That is what we're talking about. This is it. All right, with 2 cups of water. As I add some more water to it. So what you want to do? You want to drink this for about 30 days. You can also cool on this one and drink it right straight through the day. Make 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Double up your cup every day. Just cut up your ingredients and have them in the fridge. And then just take them out and make tea fresh every day. That looking good. So that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. This kind of healthy tea. And get yourself a copy of the book on Amazon. 50% off. Right now, let's take this off for the eat. Let's pour it off. One of my favorite tea. Yeah, this one is my favorite. I love it. Look like a pot of pumpkin soup. It's turmeric. Yeah, man. Turmeric. Turmeric is good, guys. Powerful something that. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Yeah, it look like pumpkin soup, but it's turmeric. When I drink this, I'm going to change out the toothbrush. Yeah, I love it, man. It's where they get rid of pain and all them things there. Very, very powerful something. Alright. Let me see. I think it's one of these. I think it's on. Why it on it first? Yeah. I use a lot of turmeric inside of it. So we're gonna put some organic honey inside of it, alright? Yeah, man. Organic honey and sweeten it. Try this. Channel style. That is good, man. Perfect. That is good. Really good. Put a little pinch of cayenne pepper may I use tonight. You can use black pepper. A pinch of cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm gonna put the ingredients on my YouTube channel right now. Let's say guys can have these ingredients. Alright. Breaking news. This is the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys to grab yourself a copy of my brand new book. Okay? A good vibes. Yeah, man. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes. Leave your comments and let me know what you guys think about my beautiful cup of tea this evening. Tomorrow night, we are back in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. So stay tuned in with tomorrow night again.